Welcome back. You've heard the term blockchain everywhere. But what is it really? How does it work? And why is it called the backbone of Bitcoin? In simple terms, a blockchain is a digital ledger, like a record book that keeps track of transactions in a decentralized, secure, and transparent way. Unlike traditional banking systems, where a central authority like a bank controls and verifies transactions, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network of thousands of computers spread across the globe. This means no single entity can control or manipulate the data, making it tamper-proof and trustworthy. But how does blockchain actually work? Let's break it down into simple steps. Imagine Alice wants to send 1 Bitcoin to Bob. She enters Bob's wallet address and presses send. Now, before the transaction is completed, it needs to be verified. This is where blockchain's powerful security system comes in. Thousands of computers, also called nodes, work together to check if Alice actually owns the Bitcoin she is trying to send. If the majority of these computers confirm that her transaction is valid, it gets approved and added to a block, a digital record of transactions. Once verified, this new block is linked to previous blocks, forming a chain of information, which is why we call it a blockchain. The moment this happens, Bob successfully receives his Bitcoin. The transaction is permanently recorded, meaning no one can alter or delete it. This makes blockchain one of the most secure and transparent systems in the world today. Now, let's talk about why blockchain is so secure compared to traditional banking. It has 3 key security features that make it nearly impossible to hack or manipulate. The first is decentralization. Unlike banks, where all data is stored in a central server, blockchain is spread across thousands of independent computers, making it difficult for hackers to attack a single point. The second security feature is cryptographic hashing. Every block in the blockchain has a unique digital fingerprint called a hash, which secures it. Even the slightest change to a block's data will generate a completely different hash, alerting the network about tampering. The third and final security feature is consensus mechanisms. Transactions are only approved if a majority of the network agrees that they are legitimate, ensuring trust and fairness. Did you know there are different types of blockchains? Each serves a different purpose. The first type is the public blockchain, which is open to everyone and is used by cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The second is a private blockchain, where only a specific organization has control over who can participate, making it ideal for businesses and enterprises. Then we have the consortium blockchain, which is a semi-private network controlled by multiple organizations working together. Finally, there's the hybrid blockchain, which combines the best features of both PUBL.